Hey guys, so it's been a while since I vlogged. It's been a while since I held my phone at this angle. So I am vlogging today. I'm going to an event. It is the body shop event. In fact, I filmed a get ready with me and I've used a lot of their products just because, since it's their event, I was like, why not use some of their products? So this is what I'm wearing. I featured everything. I'm out of breath. I featured everything in the get ready with me, so all the info will be down there in the description box of the out of breath of the video. But basically I'm wearing this dress from Kiabi, which I have just got, earrings, red lip, because I felt like I'm quite vintage today. So now we're gonna go because I'm not running late, I'm on time, but since I have to drop Skylar at my mom's, time flies by, so I'm gonna rush now. My hair, and I'm gonna attempt to vlog at the event to show you a little bit the product that body shop have, because I love their product so much, to show you the other bloggers, vloggers, influencers, to introduce you to them if they will be up to be in my video. So yeah, let's go now because it's so hot, you guys. Like, this is not highlighter, you guys. I mean, this is legit sweat, I think. It's highlighter. It's highlighter. Okay, so at the moment I look a little bit dewy. I hope that this is not sweat. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly show you my outfit just in case you don't want to watch my get ready with me. So let's show you. Okay guys, so this is what I'm wearing. Hey guys, so this is my outfit and I'm gonna rush out the door. Mommy, no. Okay, look at you guys there. So let's do this. Okay guys, so I arrived, just parked, and there's a man looking at me, staring at me. Okay guys, so I just arrived. I just parked the car, still on because I have my AC on. So yeah, now I'm just gonna get into body shop and let the event start. I'm gonna try and film some footage for you guys so that you can see the products and stuff. So let's just go. I dropped Sky at my mom's and I came straight here. I didn't find any traffic, thank God. And you guys, look at how long my hair is getting. Oh my god, so happy. So let's go. This is the place. You guys, so fail number one. So I came. Okay, let me put the phone like this so I can speak to you. Hope it doesn't fall. Okay, so fail number one. Okay, this is a nice spot for the phone. Fail number one. I came half an hour earlier. I honestly thought like the event would start at 8. I don't know, I saw 8 o'clock. And of course there was 8 o'clock, but it was 8:30. So I went out of the car and I went straight to the shop because I was like, I'm 5 minutes late because it was 8:05 and I thought that the event would start at 8. So I went rushing in because I hate going in somewhere and people are already there kind of, and I'm just like barging in like that. So I always like to be a little bit early. And I went there, and you guys, the store was closed, like the door was closed, lights were still on, and there was no one inside. And at that moment I panicked because I was like, oh my god, did I kind of mix up the location? Maybe there was Pavi and I thought it was Palma. So there are people parked. Then I have the window down and literally they're like at 5 centimeters away from me. So yeah, so not many people vlog in Malta, so that's why people are like, what the heck is she doing in her car talking to herself? So anyway, so I was like, did I mix up the location? Maybe it said Pavi and I read Palma for some weird reason, and then I checked my email again and it was Palma. Thank God. But it was at 8:30, it was at 8:30. So I casually turned around like nothing happened, because you guys, it was awkward. I went straight in, rushing to get into the shop, and there was no one, and I had to kind of come up with another plan to get out of it. So then I went back into my car. I should have just gone to a coffee shop here, but I don't know, I feel weird doing that, knowing that I mixed up the time. So I just came in my car and I was like, since I'm vlogging, let's go in the car, vlog a little bit more, and that's that. So we're here, we have another 15 minutes to kill. I'm not gonna vlog the whole 15 minutes because then I'm afraid I won't have any more storage to film in storage because I'm filming off my phone. Guys, people are weird, especially when you're parked in such close distance and vicinities. But anyway, this event should last about an hour, which I'm glad it does. And I'm not really keen on long event because I'm the type of person that goes somewhere, checks in, and then I want to go and do my own thing, like even at weddings, except if it's maybe like a close friend's wedding. But I always go, I do my job, I do my parts, and I go elsewhere because I'm like that. I hate staying into a place, like I hate staying in a place for too long. It's my character. I'm really loving how the makeup turned out. Love the lip color, I love the eyes. Should have parked further down, like down there. I don't know if I should move the car now. I should have parked it over there. Since I thought I was late, I just threw my car first spot I found. So yeah, talking a little bit about my videos. I have a couple of videos to edit. I have today's video, which is like the get ready with me. I have a tutorial using mostly LA Girl. I have a tutorial using like testing Revolution Pro, which I was just starting to edit today. And I also have an old video, like maybe it was around March when I filmed it, or February, regarding Fenty Beauty, which I love. So I need to do that. I never edited that. It's weird. I don't know why. I forgot to edit that. So many weird people looking at me, staring at me. I feel like my face is oily though. I feel that. No, هنجيبكم. يحمدوا. إيه هذا. جيدوا دير أجاجية. شو الوقت؟ كيف رأيك اليوم؟ وهذا رجع كلام. جيدوا دير. Hi. Ah, lady in red. Vlogging a bit. Hello. Hey. Thank you. I'm on for the team. Hello. أتنوز أنا أتحكم. Hi. نستاو ندخلو احنا. نستاو ندخلو. ما في فلوج يا ناين. هاي ينبس بلجت نفسي قبل الأول جات لا جو كاروتا. 6-8 كان. ما تمرت تشيك على الايميل وكان حفظ. ما يقدر يسجل اليوم نعرف. لا ملا. فورتيا ينبس كنت ناجر فايت التفل أنتم من يجري. أتحمرتان. تشيكيت. واتر. احنا نستاو نشترو لنا. دار نشتري الفيس ميست. I want it. Funny يا فيس مستري نشتري أنا. Guys, sorry, that might have money. اسمع الدربورة جيدو كم مسكين يقولوا يقصي YouTube followers دي you get it
Sure, right.
Hi guys, this is Janice. So this is Janice. She has Instagram. Tell them their Instagram.
JANIIIC.
I will link it down below.
and 3 E's.
How
Janice
cute.
with 3 eyes.
Doesn't she look like Gwen Stefani, guys? Tell us. Yes, so Miss Quasitel, oh guys, Quasitel, Sarah.
Hello.
Sarah, I'm sure if you have Instagram, you've seen her amazing photos there,
Thank you.
Wow, jisa tamġili tikonajt tita xaħatna, few xie account, ta xie account ta xie brand, dak nara li, għax brand professional, they're so professional. So very well done. Jina nara għaxħan, ixtriħan I'm gonna get the vitamin C. Da nara, għanurjom naqra. My baby. Baby! You guys, so I hope you enjoyed a little bit this vlog. I know it was a little bit crazy inside, but it has been quite a long time since I attended to one of these events, and I wanted to catch up with everyone and enjoy the moment. And I will film tomorrow showing you guys what I got. We also got a little goodie bag, so thank you so much Body Shop, but I also bought some stuff myself. Of course, I love Body Shop, and they had some new amazing stuff. So yeah, I really enjoyed myself today. Like, thank you Body Shop, because I met so many new people, and I also reconnected with some people which I haven't seen in a while, and they've said so many nice encouraging words to me. And sometimes when you're doing this whole social media thing, even if it's not social media, when you're doing something maybe in life, but social media can be a little bit more challenging sometimes, because you're always kind of comparing yourself to others. You have to make sure that you put out good content and stuff. And I felt that I didn't lose my mojo, but I don't know, I wasn't as driven as I was before. And these sweet angels, because they're not people, they're angels, they kind of brought my mojo back. I'm more determined than ever now. I don't know, I'm really excited for stuff that I will be posting, that I will be filming, new content that I will put out for you guys. I'm really happy I got my mojo back. I'm really determined. Even when it comes to like my fitness journey, I feel like I can do this. Like, I'm believing much more in yourself, and you're like, just because you went to an event? No, of course not. Just because I met so many nice people, and sometimes they give you like the pat of the shoulder for the good work you're doing, that sometimes you're not realizing the good work you're doing. So I was really happy about that, and I feel that it filled me with happiness and with encouragement, with motivation, determination. I don't know, it was so nice. I met some new people as well, which you will see of course in the vlog. And yeah, I'm so happy, you guys. I really enjoyed this event. So yeah, it's nice to socialize. Sometimes I was not socializing for a long while, except for my friends and stuff. I didn't go to all these blogger events and stuff because I didn't feel like, I don't know, I felt weird, kind of. I don't know how to put this, but I was feeling weird attending these events. So Skylar, I came to pick up Skylar. So yeah, I really had so much fun, and I will take you guys on any event that I might go to, and I will also start vlogging for you guys like my normal life. Skylar has a flashlight, so I'm gonna leave it at that. Yes, thank you, Sky. This is my makeup. Looks so good in this flashlight, Sky. Hey, Skylar, isma Sky. Wow. So there's Skylar. Say hi, Sky. Hello. How cute is this baby though? This is my life, you guys. This right here is my life. No, Sky, xiddequm bat jaraw il-vlog, għax twaġġalhom għajnejhom. Baxxi għal-isfel. Sky, ħadd gost għand nanna Silvia qalbi. Iwa le, iddeq in-nies. Ek istaqsek. I bought you bath bombs, Sky, from the Body Shop. Huh? Because he loves the Body Shop bath bombs. He's always playing with bubble bath. I bought you a lot of them, okay? Okay guys, so I arrived home. I'm gonna remove my makeup. I'm gonna get into my pajama, and we're gonna go get ready for bed because tomorrow is another day. We're gonna go back at the gym in the morning, so I need to wake up feeling fresh and strong and motivated. So yeah, I will talk to you guys after I come back from the gym so that I show you the items that I got. And thank you so much for coming with me, you guys. I will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's the following day. I'm quickly gonna show you what I got yesterday. This is Skylar's toolbox behind me, so yeah, let's just jump into the product. Okay, so I got the Vitamin C Daily Cleansing Polish. I also got the Cocoa Calming Face Mist. Then I got some bath bombs, as you can see, some bath bubbles. I also got this one, which is from their new range. It's a limited range called Go Bananas. And I got the shower cream, and I also got the body yogurt. Then I also got the Tahitian TRA body wash. It is like an oil consistency, which would be great after the beach and stuff to give a little bit more of a soothing effect to your skin. Then I also got some scrubbing mitts, which would be great to prep before Fake Tan while scrubbing. And then I also got some samples. These were in the goodie bag. I have the Vitamin C Glow Boosting Moisturizer, and I also have the Vitamin E Moisture Cream. And then I also got this one, which was in the goodie bag. This is the Go Bananas Body Butter. And in the goodie bag, I also got this one, which is so beautiful. This is their Blush Shimmer Waves in the shade 02. So gorgeous, and I swatched it yesterday. This white shade is like an iridescent unicorn kind of shade, so I'm so excited to have this on my face. So this is what I got yesterday. So yeah guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here. I will keep on vlogging for sure for you guys, so make sure to subscribe and leave this video a thumbs up for some motivation from you guys. And yeah, we'll see you all in my next one. Stay safe and be happy, you guys. Enjoy life and be happy. Mwah.